Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Avondale local and long-distance movers near me. If you are planning to move to or from Avondale, Arizona, you will need a reliable and experienced moving company to handle your relocation. 3 Movers have been operating in the Avondale area for many years, serving their customers on time, safely, and always with a smile. Whether you need to move your small apartment or your entire business, 3 Movers is the right team for the job. Moving long distance involves a lot of planning and often special equipment is needed. That's without counting all the packing materials and certain knowledge about interstate transport regulations that you need to have. Save yourself the headache of dealing with all that and hire a professional moving company like 3 Movers to do everything for you. Planning a long-distance move to Avondale or from it? Choose 3 Movers and you will get the following benefits. On time with every delivery. Expert handling and transportation of items. Highly competitive prices. Extra services to meet all your moving needs. For local moves, we are proud to say that we are lightning fast and never miss an item. Our workers are always polite and respectful. We hold safety management training regularly and comply with all state regulations. All you have to do is lay back and relax, or deal with other tasks while we get your belongings to your door, or even unload and unpack them for you. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.